Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Rippling, HR, IT, and Finance app is and how it's positioned. Rippling's mobile app gives employees access to core workforce services such as pay stubs, time cards, benefits accounts, and time-off requests directly from their phone. It also lets users submit and approve expense reports, view teammates' contact information, and securely store and share passwords using RPass. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Rippling is part of a larger workforce management platform that unifies HR, IT, finance, and payroll under one system designed for businesses to manage people and processes in one place. Official app descriptions show that to use the Rippling mobile app, you must have a Rippling account provided by your employer because it syncs workforce data with the full platform. With Rippling, companies can automate tasks like onboarding, benefits enrollment, payroll processing, and IT setup to reduce manual administrative work. The app may be useful for employees who need quick, on-the-go access to pay information, benefits details, time-off balances, and expense reporting. For HR or finance teams, this could be an option to streamline communication of payroll and workforce data directly to staff devices. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.